Hey y'all, this is Deja the Diva coming at you with another video. And I hope you guys are keeping safe, washing your hands, sanitizer, a mask, gloves, prayer, because you know prayer goes a long way. God can do everything exceedingly above and beyond anything we can imagine. Let's all pray collectively that this coronavirus goes away. All right, this is another Cook With Me segment or Cook With Me vlog that I'm doing. I told you guys for dessert I wanted to make like a bananas Foster dessert. And I got my butter in my skillet here. Let me turn it down just a notch. I have my I cut up all my bananas, all except for two, which I'm going to use for a smoothie in the morning. So we're going to get those in there and get them sauteing. So that's 3 bananas I cut up. This dessert is only for 2 people, so it's going to be wonderful. Right. So I got that. And I'm going to add to that some ground cinnamon. Do it to your liking, what your taste buds call for. A little bit of allspice, ground allspice. And these are just Dollar Tree spices. Just a little bit goes a long way. Cloves, ground cloves. Just a wee bit. Okay. Some vanilla. It is smelling so delicious over here, y'all. It is, and it's not me. For once, it's not me. Jokey joke. Okay. Okay. Let me mix that around there so everything gets all nice and good and mixed in that butter while these bananas are sauteing. Right. Make sure every banana is getting some of that good all over it, honey. The smell is insane. Alright, let's keep those bananas frying. And since they were really ripe, I'm just really careful on how I'm mixing so as not to create any mush. Okay. They're looking really good. Looking really good. Next I'll be adding my sugar. I didn't have the brown sugar, y'all, so I'm just going to use granulated sugar. Domino's, okay? But I'm gonna let that get nice and ripe here. And I was out of my little angel food pie shell, so what I did have on hand, vegan banana bread. Trader Joe's, $5.99. It has chocolate chips in it, but it's vegan, so this will be sliced, warmed, sliced with the bananas Foster sauce, and bananas on top with some whipped cream. And that will be their dessert. Yay! They're going to love it. They're going to love it. They don't even know I'm making it. What a nice dessert. I might partake in a slice or give myself half a slice. You know, you don't have to not have everything. Everything in moderation, as long as you have your activity, you're drinking your water, you know, and everything else is good and you're not overindulging, you can eat like that. But you got to know when to say when to say uncle, honey. Yes. Alright. Let me give you guys a look-see from my cast iron skillet. You all see all that goodness? It's time to add the sugar now. It only takes a minute. It only takes a minute. Improvise, make it do what it do, you know. Everything's not perfect. Just gotta improvise just a little. And I'm doing the sugar in here so it can get all syrupy and Foster sauce like, you know. Now this is just my recipe. I didn't get it nowhere. I just every time I go to Eaton Park, I get the Banana Foster French toast, and I just like it. Now an alternative you can do, you can add some white wine to this sauce, and it'll give it a whole nother flavor. But yeah. And usually how you tell your sauce is ready, you can have yourself a cold glass of water or a cup, and you take some of the sauce and you drip it in there. If it forms into a ball, it's done. But honey, let me see if I can get some on here so you guys can see. That sauce is done. We turn off the heat here. Look at that. Syrupy. That's that sauce, honey. That caramel. That caramel. Look at that. Yeah, nice and good. Nice and good and gooey. I'm going to cover that. I'm going to start slicing this up for the dessert. I'm not going to plate it yet because I want it to be the last course. So after the chicken and the caprese salad and the baked potatoes, we are going to go with this. And I'm going to slice this and warm it. I'm going to warm that in the microwave. You know, because I'm not going to use the whole loaf, you know, just a couple slices. Warm it in the microwave, put my topping on, and then the creamy whipped cream topping. Yes, ma'am. That is what is for dessert today. So, you know, get the dessert up out of here. I just tried to make a jokey joke. You know, my jokes usually aren't funny, but hey. A girl can try. So yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. Comment below. Give me that thumbs up. And I love you guys to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to who? Be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. Stay prayed up. Wash those hands. Wear those masks. Gloves if you had it. Use that disinfectant, wipes, and sanitizer. And I will see you guys in the next video. Dessert. 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 Here we go. Dessert. 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 Here we go. I'll let you guys have one more look. Look at that. Ooey gooey gooey. Yes, ma'am. Bye.